Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. I've got a very interesting gist for you from the ultimate love. Jay accused of having a child and a wife before the show. Full gist here. News has been spreading of late about the housemate in the ultimate love part in person of Jay, that he has a child and a girlfriend, the girlfriend believed to be the mother of his child. Jay was selected by the organizers of the show Ultimate Love NAIJA in the quest to find love, which he got paired with Nkechi and that got them both the nickname Jkech. But now he is being accused of abandoning a girlfriend to join Ultimate Love. Now the poster was able to reach Jay's girlfriend to bring Jay's son to the ex party. To be very lovely. Okay, this is the post we saw. Some persons on Facebook named Guta Linda said, "I know his current girlfriend and a child. Jay abandoned her cause he feels he is touching money from drug. Now he's on debt. He joined Ultimate Love. I have been talking to her ex about Friday ex party and bringing her son along, and her brother are really supporting my move. Hope they comply." This is really serious because now Jay is loving up on the TV reality show Ultimate Love with another lady whom he is claiming to be in love with, which is Nkechi. The question is, has he really found love or is he there for the fame? What about this accusation? How will it affect his reputation in the love part? As the game is coming to close bit by bit, it is also getting tougher. The housemates are getting exposed of their real character. And for this Sunday eviction show, Jkesh is up for eviction. I hope they get evicted because I don't even like the guy in the first place. Okay guys, this is the gist I have. Stay tuned for more updates on this channel from Ultimate Love. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.